Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. To start with this tutorial, I'm going to use my 100% cotton yarn in off-white color and make a slip knot. Then chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, slip stitch at the back loop of the first chain to form the ring. To begin our row 1, make chain 3. Then double crochet into the ring. And we add 3 more double crochet into the ring. And 2 and 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 double crochets, since our chain 3 here will be counted as a DC. Now to start row 2, we chain 3 again and turn our work. And double crochet into the first DC space here, not on the stitch but the space here. This is 1 DC, and we need two more double crochets. So we have 4 double crochet and then double crochet into the last DC space here. And we add 3 more double crochets. And 3. Now to begin row 3, we will chain 3 and turn our work. Then 3 double crochet into the first space here, same as our row 2. Okay, then 3 double crochets into the next space here, and 4 double crochets into the last space here. Okay, so this is the pattern. The sides here will have 4 double crochets and the middle spaces will have 3 double crochets, and the last space here will have 4 double crochets. We will repeat this pattern until we have row 7, which will have 7 sets of double crochets. We call this sets of double crochets. This is row 3, and we have 1, 2, 3 sets of double crochets. Okay, now this is row 7. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of double crochets. I have cut my yarn since I wanted to change my yarn color here. Into this one. So I will remove this loop first, and I'm going to replace this loop with this yarn. Okay, now I will start my row 8. 1, 2, and 3, and turn my work. And instead of making a sets of double crochet into this first space here, I'm going to jump this into the second space and skip the first space. 1 DC, 2, and 3. So work 3 double crochets on each spaces here. 1 and 2 and 3. Now this is the end of row 8, so we have our last space here. So instead of making 4 double crochets, just work 1 double crochet. Then chain 3 again to start with row 9. Now double crochet, we will skip the first space and 3 double crochet into the second space. And 3 double crochet on each spaces here. This is the end of row 9. We still work 1 double crochet into the last space, and chain 3 and work our row 10. Skip the first space and 3 double crochet into the next space and through the next to all of the next spaces. Now this is the end of row 10, and 1 double crochet into the last chain space here, and we will repeat this pattern until we have row 13. 2 and 3. Now this is row 13. We will make 3 chains and slip stitch, turn your work and slip stitch into the last space here. And this is the end of the pattern, and just cut your yarn, leave some tail and fasten it off. Now this is our finished coaster without the edging. If you want to put the edging, you can choose any pattern you like, but on my part I would just make a 3 single crochets on every spaces, change spaces here, except for the corner. The corner will have 4 single crochets, and on this corner we have 2 sides, so we will work 4 single crochets here and another 4 single crochets here, which is a total of 8. And on this corner just one space here, so we will just work 4 single crochet. Now I will start with this yarn color. I would like to match my edging yarn color with my work color here, and I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet. This is my first single crochet, and I will add 3 more, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, that is our first single crochet. Now on this space here I will make 3 single crochets, and in all of these spaces here. Now in this corner we have this 1 space corner here. I will work 4 single crochets, 2 and 3 and 4. And 3 single crochets in all the next spaces on this side. 3. Now this is the 2 space corner, so I will work 4 single crochet in here, 3 and 4. And now I will cut my yarn and leave some tail because I want to change my yarn color again. Now I've changed my yarn color. I will single crochet 1, 2. This is the other side of the corner, the 2 side corner, and 3. So I will work 4 single crochets and 4. Now I'm working 3 single crochets into the next change spaces. And this one is a single space corner too, so we will have 4 single crochets, 3 and 4, and 3 single crochets into the next change spaces. Now to finish this tutorial, I'm going to slip stitch into this first chain here and fasten off my yarn. This is the end of this video. Hope you liked the tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.